Today we're getting our bushcraft on and cutting all the wood with the help of our new folding saw from Azengear. It comes shipped to your door ready to chop down some trees. It comes with a little travel bag and then your folding saw. The folding saw comes complete with 2 paracord ropes that you can use in those sticky situations. The handle is made out of a non-slip thermoplastic rubber and is comfortable in your hand. Then there's a safety lock that allows you to open up the saw to different positions. Push it down and unfold your saw. Then you're ready to go cut some wood. I'm always out working on the farm and cleaning up the hiking trails, so it was important to me to get something small that I could fold away and carry with me. Now whenever I need to cut something, I have a saw ready to go in seconds. The blade is nice and sharp and allowed me to cut through some dead wood. It cut through the brushy end with ease, and I even sawed through the thicker stump end, no problem. Now I have some bigger chunks of wood for firewood later. I went camping and used this to make sure the fire was stoked all through the night. I used this to cut down and make some custom hand torches to allow us to see on the hiking trails. And I even found use for the paracord ropes. I needed some light, so I used it to string up and hang my lantern in the tent. Then I used the other rope to hang up the saw for when I needed it next. This has probably become one of my most used tools when I'm working out in the woods. It may take a little bit of muscle, but it's so lightweight that you'll forget about it until you actually need it. Then you'll be happy that you brought it. So if you're looking to get into bushcraft or want a folding saw to take with you camping, this one might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm grabbing a beer and relaxing by my freshly stoked campfire. See ya!